Hello everyone! Welcome to Storytime at the Frisco Public Library. Today we are going to talk about a kind of animal that has 2 feet and 2 wings and flies. Well, most of them do. Do you know what kind of animal that is? You're right! It's birds! Today we are going to have lots of fun talking all about different kinds of birds. Come along! We're going to start out story time today with our letter of the day. And today's letter makes this sound, ta, ta, ta. Do you know what letter that is? You're right! It's the letter T. Let's practice drawing the letter T in the air with our hands. So first, you make a long line down from top to bottom, and then a shorter line at the top. Let's practice it one more time. We draw one long line down, and then a shorter line across the top. Good job, you guys. You drew your T. And you know, I bet you know that birds make a lot of sounds. They trill, coo, hoot, squawk, and some even talk. Have you ever heard a parrot talk? I bet you have. Well, we are going to see if you can guess today which bird sound starts with the letter ta, ta, T. All right, are you ready? The first one is the sound a pigeon makes. Coo, coo. The second one is the sound that many birds make, like a canary. They go tweet, tweet. And the third one is the sound that an owl makes. They go hoo, hoo. All right, do you know which one? Was it the first one, the pigeon's coo? No, you're right. It's not that one. That one starts with the letter C. Was it the owl's hoot, hoot? That makes a ha, ha, ha sound. Is that a T? No, it's not. You're right. That's the letter H. What about the canary's tweet, tweet? You're right. That's the one that starts with a ta, ta, T and ends with one. Tweet, tweet. Good job, you guys. You are so smart. I have 2 little goofy friends who are going to help me with the next rhyme. Let's meet them. Here they are. All right, are you ready? 2 little birds sitting on a cloud, one named Quiet, the other named Loud. Fly away, Quiet, fly away, Loud. Come back, Quiet, come back, Loud. 2 little birds sitting in the snow, one named Fast and the other named Slow. Fly away, Fast, fly away, Slow. Come back, Fast, come back, Slow. 2 little birds sitting on a pig, one named Little, the other named Big. Fly away, Little, fly away, Big. Come back, Little, come back, Big. All right, didn't my friends do such a good job? Can you say goodbye to them both? Bye-bye, everybody. Do you know where birds live? You're right. I bet a lot of you said trees, and that's true. But there are lots of birds that live a whole lot of other places as well. Most birds, though, like to find a place way up high where they can be safe in their nest. And so they like places like trees, or under roofs, or in parking garages, and sometimes even the birdhouses that we give them. I have a friend today named Birdie. who's looking for his very own home, and he needs some help. And he has friends, Pinky, Goldie, and Spike, who are going to help him choose his perfect house. The first house is this one. Let's see. This one is wide and short. Let's see if Birdie fits. It looks like there may be too much space in that house for Birdie. Which one of his friends do you think would like that house? Goldie? Let's try. Look, Goldie fits perfectly. It looks like Goldie has found a house. The next house choice is this one. And this one is very narrow. That means skinny or thin. And very tall. Let's see if it's right for Birdie. Oh goodness, that looks way too tall. Which one of Birdie's friends do you think would like this house the most? Spike? Let's try him. Wow, look, Spike is tall and narrow just like that house, and he fits perfectly. All right, let's try another house. This one is both tall and wide. Let's see if it's right for Birdie. Oh goodness, there is way too much space in that house for Birdie. Which friend do you think would fit the best in that house? Pinky, let's try her. Look, she fits in perfect in that house because she is also wide and tall. I have one more house that we can try. Let's try this birdhouse. All right, this one is short and narrow. Let's see, do you think it'll work for Birdie? Look, that one worked for Birdie because Birdie is also short and narrow. Look, all of our friends have found their perfect birdhouse. Thanks for helping. Don't Feed the Coos by Jonathan Stutzman and illustrated by Heather Fox. When you see a coo, you will be tempted to give it a treat. Coos are adorable, peaceful, and kind of silly. But don't feed the coo. Because if you feed one, look, she's feeding it. They will all come. Wow, look at all the pigeons. You will try to escape, but they will follow you. Through the park, down the street, all the way home. Your mother will not be pleased. Wherever you are, they will be too. At orchestra practice. Oh no, they're making it hard to play that music. At the arcade. Oh, look at her face. What do you think she's feeling? Even at karate lessons. Oh no. Your sensei will not be pleased. And to thank you for feeding them, the coos will leave poos. Coo poos everywhere. Look at on the books. Coo poos covering everything. Oh my goodness. You will lose your socks to the coos poos and your backpack, your bed. Oh goodness. Your mind. All because you fed those coos. Oh gosh. You will do anything to make them leave. Look, she has coo spray. Oh, it's not working. Nothing will work. Oh no. You will try to hide. Oh, look, did she find a place in her fort to hide? But you cannot hide from a Coo. They took the ladder. No matter what scheme you cook up. Oh, look, she put up signs. They say, go away. Coo's not welcome. Your plans will fail. They will eat and eat and eat and coo and poo on everything. So just accept your fate. Coos aren't so bad once you get to know them. Give them names. Knit them scarves. Look, they all have name tags now. We have Doug and Gimli and Babs. Make them a part of your family. Take them on walks in the park. Coos love the park. Do you see the signs? They say missing pigeons. A healthy Coo is a happy Coo. Yes, feed them bird seed. Coos love food more than parks. Look at all the signs, all the missing pigeon signs. You're getting the hang of this, kid. Embrace your Coos, because they will be your Coos till the very end. There is absolutely, positively no way to get rid of them. Look, she's sharing her seed. Her seeds for the Coos. Clever child. It looks like there is a way. Look, she gave her seeds to the man, and now he's feeding the Coos. I guess they're his now. The end. Wow, we saw so many birds in that book. I wonder when you go outside today, if you could keep your eyes and your ears open and see how many birds you can find. Be sure to look up way up high in the sky and look in the trees and also in parking lots. All right, you guys, that's all we have time for today. So let's go ahead and sing our goodbye song. Can you get your waving goodbye hands going? It's time to say goodbye to all my friends. It's time to say goodbye to all my friends. It's time to say goodbye. Give a smile and wink an eye. It's time to say goodbye to all my friends. Bye, everybody. I'll see you next time.